Yo, what is going on, everybody? Gonna be making a relatively short video really quickly. It's really late. I got off work and got home just before pre-market opened for U.S. markets, and I took a short position. As you can see, I have it open. This was my entry here at 18,638, and it just started to extend lower and respect a lot of these gaps that had been getting created as it trended down. And so I have my stop loss was originally a little bit higher up here, and as it started to go in my favor, I decided to trail it down a little bit. Um, and I'm hoping this is gonna go for a little bit longer than where it's at right now. Yesterday we had a massive run up from the FOMC. As you can see, these massive candles that appeared after Jerome Powell started saying words. And so this is the first. I mean, we had a little bit of volatility during the FOMC minutes, but or not FOMC minutes, but the actual FOMC. Um, and this is probably the biggest retracement that we've had since this run up has happened. We had a small one here, but this one is a much larger pullback that we're seeing. And so I'm hoping that this trend will continue and we will start to, the market will reach down and grab up a lot more of this liquidity from all of this bullishness that we've had yesterday. I'm hoping it'll maybe go down another 100, 200 points. But I plan to trail my stop, leave it at break even if this continues to show displacement for sell side. And yeah, so that's about it. This is the position that I'm in right now. Um, uh, Starting to show a little bit of demand as we get down closer to this 4 hour fair value gap. But the risk is what it should be for this trade, and perfectly happy with whatever the outcome is. But I know that I've been seeing a lot of these moves where it'll pre-market will provide a really good entry for me to have a trade and leave it open, and it just continues to go in my favor based on a trade idea I'd come up with, and it'll just go until sometimes it'll be the entire day's range. So I'm just trying to make sure I keep my losses small until I come across a one of the moves that I'm recognizing and noticing happen at least once a week. I notice one of these moves where I have an opportunity to get in early pre-market and just go to sleep and wake up with profits. So that's going to do it. And I guess you'll see in my weekly trading recap at the end of this week what the result of this trade was, and whatever my last setup will be. My first trade I took this week on Tuesday for actually it was a loss for about $63. So this is a nice change of pace, and still looking like a promising downtrend here. We had this is now keep in mind this is a 1 minute on this 200 moving average line here, but we did have a break above and then a rejection. And now it's started to consolidate in a new range on the 1 minute that's underneath the moving average. But nonetheless, it is displacement that happened, and now the current structure is respecting this moving average as a form of resistance now, which is what we want to see. So try not to stay on the 1 minute too long. It just makes me anxious. So that's like I said, still looking good. I will tune in again on Friday at the end of the week to upload the weekly recap. And till then, I wish you guys luck in your trading. And leave a comment, like the video, subscribe, all those things. And I'll see you next time.